forest, a curious little creature spotted something strange. A glowing door, shimmering like a star, was hidden among the trees. With a twitch of his nose, the adventurous spirit beckoned him forward. He hopped through the enchanting doorway, ready for adventure. Beyond the door lay a library like no other. Floating books danced gracefully among friendly animals engaged in lively chatter. In his joy of discovery, he accidentally tumbled a tall stack. A whirlwind of knowledge swirled around, hiding the charming library in chaos. A wise guardian of the library flapped in quickly, but a trickster eyeing the mess couldn't resist the urge to stir up more fun. Overwhelmed, the little one struggled to keep calm. Together with the wise keeper, he knew they had to tidy up. But then the jester halted. With cleverness, he began to group the colorful pages by size and hue, turning chaos to order. Soon, the library sprang to life with laughter and stories. A celebration erupted where all animals shared joy, learning together. As the sun dipped low, the little adventurers rested beneath a great old tree. Surrounded by wisdom, they were ready to explore more. Bright-eyed and eager, they shared dreams as pages whispered. The magic of learning filled the air, inviting them to discover more. Together, they formed a circle of friendship. Each page turned, and each story shared brought them closer, learning hand in paw. Under the twinkling stars, they nestled close. With curiosity ignited, their hearts beat in tune, forever eager to learn more.